Honestly, I don't even know what this is. This is so bad. This is revenge. He cut someone's car up. Like, I mean, he completely cut it up.
Look at the gap.
Did the bumper in 3 pieces.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, aka Renaissance Man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button and join the EVS crew. Guys, let's just get started. It's too cold out here. Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's just go. Let's see what we got going on today. Oh, does this look familiar? Maybe not. Maybe they all look the same after a while. I know. So we did Clearguard Nano on this. Get out of the way for you guys. Yo, we did Clearguard Nano on this Model 3 a few days ago. We've let it sit for a while, let it here, and we're actually now doing photo sync on the entire car. That's right guys, photo sync. That's the side windows, the back window, the sunroof, the front windshield. Here's the deal guys, Teslas have a lot of windows. They have more windows than most vehicles, right? But the windows they have are humongous. Like the front windshields for most of the Teslas are massive, and the sunroof too is pretty massive, right? So a lot more heat gets into these cars than most cars. If you're always having to keep your AC so high just to keep the interior cool, it kind of affects your range. And since right now charging isn't exactly the most ideal thing to do, since superchargers aren't everywhere yet, it's not exactly fun, especially if you do long road trips from like Houston to Austin to Dallas or San Antonio or out of state even. You kind of want to maximize that as much as possible. So that's the true beauty of photosync, is that since it's so good, you're able to keep your AC usage down as much as possible. Sean, are you still confident you'll be able to get this Model X done today?
100% positive. Watch, you're about to see me kill it right now. I'm done with the longest part of the day, which is cutting out the pieces.
I had to step away from Sean to say this, but I don't think he's gonna do it. I mean, he's by himself today. Raul wasn't coming in. I mean, what? I'm supposed to believe that he could knock this out by himself?
I'm still here.
Who's that?
Ready?
Yo, we got Sean here again. Sean, how long have you and Raul been together? Rip it or keep it. I'm gonna show Sean some videos of some vinyl wrap work, and he's just gonna give his opinion on them, whether he would keep it or rip it. Some of them are good, some of them are bad, and some of them are just strange probably. So we'll just get started, yeah? So this one's from CK Wraps. This is not a car they did, but it's a car they got from, I guess, a customer that they had to fix. But I wanna see what your thoughts are on this. Okay, so we got a blue car.
Initially, actually from far away, it doesn't look too bad, right?
Right.
So
We're probably
and that's the trick that everyone uses.
Especially online.
Exactly. You know, they take a faraway picture and they edit it.
Right.
But really, in person, it looks totally different.
I mean, we're probably standing, he's probably standing, what, 4 or 5 feet away from it, and it looks decent.
Exactly.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. So what's going on here?
So he miscut there and he cut too little.
The cuts are all jacked.
Is he bad because he just sucks, or is he bad, or are these beginner
it
problems?
looks like he wrapped it,
Like that. So
like, you know, his wrap skills were okay. It's just his finishing skills and his cuts. As you can see, I guarantee when this person fills up the wrap, he's gonna see a lot of his paint cut.
Like just cuts on the
Like
paint
just
from
like
blades.
there's a cut because he's literally placing the blade and just running it along. And he has wrinkles. He has a lot of patches. Or he didn't even take apart the car at all.
I don't think he did. Yeah, it's like
I think he just wrapped it.
Look at this.
So okay, so let me ask you this: are these careless problems?
These are super careless problems, man. Like, I mean,
So they're not even like I'm bad, but I care. These are just like I don't care. I'm just here to wrap a car.
This is like. Honestly, I don't even know what this is. This is so bad. This is revenge. He cut someone's car up. Like, I mean, he completely cut it up. Like, as you can see, like, look at the mirrors. Like, look how he cut. He's cutting on the mirror cap. He's not, you know, placing his blade in between, you know, the paint. He's literally cutting on the paint. He's cutting on each panel. He's cutting on the door. He's cutting on your mirror caps. He's cutting on your bumpers. You would see a bunch of
Lines everywhere?
Lines that would outmark where his wrap was.
So he would have like an outline everywhere on
Of cuts.
of all his panels.
Of cuts.
Oh my god.
I know, it would be very bad.
So the thing is, so the problem is, it doesn't even end there, basically.
Exactly.
After you remove the wrap, you still got problems to deal with.
Yes. You got a terrible wrap, and then you go to remove it to fix it, you get yourself into more problems.
And the problem with this is that since the cuts are on the edges, it's hard for detail to polish those out.
Yes.
They can, I'm sure on certain parts, But like, I'm sure if you ask Will, like
even
these
the
edges, he's gonna be like, I need something super small.
Just by telling on the slips and the doors how they're so jagged, I can tell that he didn't cut light.
So I assume the blades are dull.
Yes. Trunk jam, where the bumper is. No, he
Look at the gap.
He did the bumper in 3 pieces.
Vinyl wrapping is a very easy career to get into,
Yes.
but it's a very hard career to actually master and be an expert in.
Exactly.
Are we keeping this?
We are definitely not keeping this. This is going to the trash, like 100%. You can't come back for this. You need to repaint. Every single aspect, every single area of this car, whether it was the rear bumper, front bumper, doors, even the wing, everything was cut.
Looks like I'm gonna be a tech today, guys. So you're gonna see a different side of me you've never seen before. Tyler's not here. I don't know where he went. So it's all good. I can fill in for him. I got this. I don't need Tyler.
You need Tyler.
You don't have faith in me, do you?
I do. I just never seen you do it.
Oh, it's getting tight in here. So we've got the Raptor in. We're installing new VenomRex wheels for it. All right, so we're gonna try and knock this out ASAP. Ooh. So now it's balancing, it's doing the little spinning thing. And then it's gonna tell me how many weights to put on here. Ah, so I need to put on 0.25 ounces and 1.25 ounces.
I have a regular flashlight. You know that outlet.
Alright! Alright guys, we are done. Look at the Raptor. Guys, is that sick or what? VenomRex 602s, 20-inch, and carbon graphite. That looks so good, especially with the color of the Raptor. I think it fits perfectly. Gray with the black, and then the springs are silver. It just, it looks so good. Clean setup. 35-inch tires. I love this Raptor. The colors, the blacks, the grays. It looks so good. And that bumper, clean. So let me show the concavity. Let me just give you an idea. So there you guys go. It's not bad at all. I'm really happy with the setup. I was afraid that the carbon graphite would be too much gray on a gray Raptor, but no, man, it looks clean. So guys, if you have a Raptor or you have a truck and you want VenomRex wheels, hit me up. My contact info is in the description down below. Let me know what you want, what you need. I'll take care of you because you're part of the EVS crew. Alright guys, so we are doing an unboxing today. We're doing one a little bit different. We've been doing some different unboxings, right? We're doing a lot of wheels. We have lug nuts. We've done Halloween decoration. This is gonna be a little bit more hype beast. I think I'm scratching up the wing. We are unboxing. Oh, I think I just up the wing. That's right, we're unboxing some Yeezys. Let's get started. If you don't know what Yeezys are, then it's like trying to tell a kid what's an iPhone, you know? It's just kind of weird for me to have to describe what Yeezys are. This is the front of the box. You got 350. This side you got, of course, Boost, which refers to the sole. And then this side is just the sizing, good stuff like that. Just the paper. This McLaren wing is doing pretty good as a table. So guys, these are the Yeezy Citrins, as you can see. Shout out to Sneakerworks for getting me these shoes. I couldn't copy these myself, I missed out. So thank you so much for coming in clutch and getting these for me, guys. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the shoes. So up top, you got your typical prime knit, the signature translucent stripe that runs from the back all the way to the toe box, your gum sole on the bottom, which says Boost. This is non-reflective. This does not glow in the dark. But yeah, I like the color. It's almost like this light gray ivory color, I guess you can say. I mean, you can rock it with any jeans, and you know, whether it's black jeans, gray jeans, or what am I doing? Am I talking about clothes on a car vlog? Oh my god, what are we becoming? Okay, let's do it. Black jeans, gray jeans, blue jeans, it works. I really like the translucent stripe. It almost has like this light green, lime green hue to it. I think it's cool because it still kind of ties in well with the prime knit colors, with that being too over the top. It looks good. I like it. So whenever I buy new shoes, I always do a smell test. I don't know if you guys do this, maybe just me, but like I like smelling new shoes because it smells so good. But let's see how this smells. Ew, this one doesn't smell that good. What the f? Ugh. Normally like shoes have like that new glue smell. Oh, you know what it smells like? It smells like cardboard. That's what it smells like. Yo, let's do a quick check-in with the Model X, see how things are coming along. So the fender is on. It was being worked on. Now it's done. Bing. This door is done. Now we're on the A pillar, the back portion of it. Sean, you told me this car would be done today.
You're right, but then this defeated me.
What defeated you?
This trunk right here that I'm doing right now. You know why?
Why?
Because I was gonna do it like everybody else and do it in 2 pieces, but I decided, you know, here at EVS, we need to take things to the next level, and so we did it in 1 piece.
Why is it such a big deal? This is a 1 piece.
You know, I know you're not a rapper, but I'm telling you right now, rappers out there will understand that, you know, this dip right here is alone really, really hard, right? So then when it goes into a position where you have to flex it to the side, and at the same time you don't have a long enough piece and a wide enough piece, you end up, you know, stretching the wrap in places it doesn't want to go.
You're telling me that this piece here, all the way to here, whoop, down to here is 1 piece, and this is considered difficult.
This is considered difficult, considering that there's no line right here, because most people would put a line right here.
Wow.
We're trying to make this like paint, so we do it in 1 piece.
It does look good.
Appreciate it.
I didn't realize it because I'm not a rapper, you know? I'm just a co-host of Rip It or Keep It. Yo, this AMG GT 63 is looking good. The back is done, the sides are done, the front is done, the hood is done, the front bumper, yo, every panel is now Satin Guard. Oh my god, look at that shine, look at that sheen right there. Guys, that's ridiculous. Like right here, look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Dustin, that flashlight makes you look like a miner. That's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the EVS crew. We want to work on your car, guys. Hit us up. Let us know what you need. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know you're part of the EVS crew. We'll take care of you. Also, thanks to everyone who has actually come by the shop to show us support on the vlogs and say how much you guys love it. We really appreciate it. We love hearing your feedback on it. So thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.